What you need to know about a long-term loan for business, a better alternative. Reasons why you should get a long-term loan for your business. If you're looking to expand your business or take it to the next level, there are many ways you can do so. One of the best ways is by getting a long-term loan for your business. With this kind of loan, you can finance new equipment for your company, pay for real estate transactions, and even make strategic investments in other companies or start new businesses. Loans for business expansion involving lower interest rates and longer repayment terms. A long-term loan for business expansion is ideal for successful business owners. These loans are typically for more significant amounts, so you may want to consider other options if you need smaller quantities for your business. There are many advantages to taking out a long-term loan for business purposes. However, if you are thinking about your budget and how much you can afford to pay each month, a long-term loan might not work for you. Short-term business loans can be used in conjunction with long-term loans to make payments more manageable. How much money you will be receiving each month. Because of the longer repayment time associated with these loans, it's essential to be realistic about how much money you will be receiving from your business each month. If you intend to move forward with your business plan, open a new branch, purchase new equipment, expand to new markets, hire more staff, or develop a new product, long-term loans will help you reach the next growth stage. Business loans are an essential tool for the growth of your business. When you don't have sufficient capital, it can be stressful to make critical decisions regarding expansion and growth. If you don't have the funds to make such a decision, you either increase the risk that the company will fail or stop trying. In either case, if one of your customers stops buying your product or service because they can no longer afford it, the risk is now on you. Take a long-term view on your business. For maximum risk mitigation, it's essential to seek out financing fast. Banks are known for moving quickly in their lending process to ensure that they approve all applications within a reasonable amount of time. You can accomplish your most important business objectives with long-term business loans that offer favorable terms of repayment. Business lenders provide these loans to businesses in a variety of ways so that your business can prosper. Whether you're looking for short-term financing or long-term business growth, there are certain factors to consider when choosing the best way to apply for your long-term business finance. Some companies choose to get a long-term loan to expand their business and grow with it. Long-term small business loans are secured by real estate, equipment, and even personal assets like cars or furniture, which is why many small and medium-sized companies turn to the experts at the online business line of Credit Resource. Long-term loan for business credit card and other options for financing your business expansion. Other options for financing your business expansion include applying for a business line of credit or putting many business expenses on your business credit card. The approval process for a business card is similar to that for personal credit cards, since the business will also check the individual's credit history. With a business line of credit, you have to pay back your expenses each month, and the interest can be high. However, these loans are easier to qualify for than other loans. A typical business loan would require you to have collateral if you cannot repay what you borrowed. If your business does not have any collateral and you need business funding options for additional equipment or any other reason that involves real estate, a long-term loan is your best option. Auto finance loans, along with home loans, fall into this same category, so it's usually better to take out a loan with a more extended repayment period when financing the property. When you apply for a small business loan, lenders will review your credit history, such as your credit score, and your business financial records, such as your tax returns, to establish whether you will be able to pay the loan on time. Besides your business model, it is crucial to think about your plans for growth and budgets. Your credit score could be impacting your loan application if you've been in business for a long time and have a good credit score. Call 888-653-0124 today or click the link in the description to learn more.